Hello children! Today we are going to do some fun activity with the alphabets. And today's alphabet is X. X is X. Fox. 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 X is X. Box. 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 X is Ox. So children, we learned X's and we can also say Xmas tree. And today we are going to make a Xmas tree. For that, see, I have a green mountboard cutout and I have punched some holes in it. Along with this, I have some other cutouts and a ribbon also. So, we will take this ribbon and pass it through the holes. Parents, you can do this activity and engage your child and improve their hand-eye coordination. See children, we will pass the ribbon through the holes in a crisscross manner. Parents, if you wish to order the set of Fun with Alphabet series along with the materials, you can kindly check the description box. See children, I have made the letter X with the help of this ribbon. Now I will make a bow so that our Xmas tree is complete. Parents, do help your children to make this bow. Now we will complete our Xmas tree with the help of this stem. I will put some glue on this stem like this and place this Xmas tree on it. I will dab a little bit so that it gets stuck very nicely. Now we will put this star on the top of the Xmas tree. We take the glue like this and place the star on the top of the Xmas tree. See children, our beautiful Xmas tree is ready. Parents, you can order this interesting material from the alphabet series. The link is given in the description box. Thank you. I hope you loved this real video by Real Educators. Please do subscribe to our channel.